So today I'm making the most perfect banana bread in the world, period. Can't get better than this. So the first thing I need to do is obviously tie up my hair.
Because you don't want a hairy banana bread, now do you? Oh shit. Back, my hair's fine. Okay, let's get started.
The very first thing I want to do before I mix any of the ingredients is take 3 dates. As you can see, they're pretty dry and shriveled up. And we'll add boiling water to them. That'll allow them to just open up, and eventually we'll separate the seed, chop them into little pieces, and incorporate them. So the very first thing is to add flour, baking soda, and salt into a bowl. And I've mixed the salt and the baking soda in here. I'll just put that and set it aside. Now in a clean bowl, I'll mix the sugars,
Why not? Pick that up.
egg,